Welcome everybody. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Stay tuned. Okay, I'll show you all the necessary parts or items that you need for this project. Okay, I'll put them down here to show you what you need for the project. These are the tools and the parts that you need. There's a part in here that I don't have it, and it's called the stainless steel timber. Okay, I will actually also put it in the Amazon affiliate link so that you'll be able to find easily. And for your safety, I recommend you wear some kind of a protective gears, like at least a pair of gloves, and put on safety glasses. Okay, and kids, if you are doing this project, I suggest you get an adult to help you. Okay, and also do remember to put on safety gears like I just showed you, goggles and gloves. I'm going to put on my gloves. And I'm going to cut let me put these two away, I don't need them. Let me cut a 2 feet long wire rope, and that is the wire cutter tool that I'll be using. Show you, try to bring near to the camera. That's why it's good to wear your safety glasses, because this is going to flick. Okay, be very careful, it will flick. Yep. And now it's time for us to put on the sleeve. I suggest you put it so that it has a longer end here. You can easily bend it, because you don't want to try to do this. It's very stiff. The cable is very stiff and it's hard to do it. So I suggest you put it, give it a maybe you to the end here, and then you put it on like this, back. Just bring that back. Okay, you just leave a bit longer, and you pull and just make to the size you want the eye. For me, I find that this is good enough. And I put the sleeve on. Okay, and that's done. Okay, that's done. So that it doesn't prick your finger, because it's very sharp. Once you cut it, this wire, because they have very fine strands of wire which can prick your finger easily. Done. So I have both ends sealed, protected by the heat string, so it's not gonna hurt your fingers. Just open that up, and for me, you can see there's an indication. You can see there's 1, 2 and 3. For this, you use number 3. This is the largest. I'm going to crimp this one 2 times, so make sure you leave quite a lot over the other end, because you are going to crimp on this side later on. Okay, squeeze the handle. Okay, that's it. And open that again. Let's just show you how it looks. That's one side. So I'm going to crimp the other end. All right, here you go. Just squeeze it out. I'm going to show you. There you go. There you have it. I'm going to do for the other side. Okay, a lot of space for the other end because we need to crimp it down twice. And there you have it. There you go. And it actually takes less than 5 minutes to do this, or even maybe 3 to 4 minutes. You can do it without problem. And then the next thing I want to show you is if the crimper doesn't crimp enough, that means it's not going to be able to give a proper bite onto the cable. So you need to do adjustment on the crimper tool. Okay, here you can see the adjustment that you have to make. The higher the number, it will crimp the sleeve harder. Well, it will actually give a lot more pressure, and therefore it's going to grip it harder. I will show you how to take this and set to, for example, if it's not having enough pressure, I want to set them to number 3. There you go. You need a spanner. Just remove it and turn this to number 3. I'll show you. Somehow this seems to be in the metric system, the nut. So you use the number 10 millimeter spanner and just remove the nut here. Okay, just remove it. You have to remove the nut completely. Okay, you have to do that. And then there's a washer here. What you need to do is just pop this out. Okay, you have to open that slightly, okay, so that it's loose. It doesn't create any pressure on the nut itself. I mean on this, I don't know what you call this. So remove that and then pick the number that you need. Right now you can see it's number 3, and then just replace it. Make sure it's not enough, and then you will just do the same for the other side. Now it's actually 3 and 2. Okay, if you feel that it's still not crimping hard enough, then do for this side. Okay, make sure it be balanced. Okay, there you go. That's it. And I can tell it's already too hard because it's very hard to press it down. That means it's too much. So I'm going to set it back to 2. The setting back to 2 and 2. Okay. Well, that's it. Quick and easy. If you like my video, give me those thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.